Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. You're watching Film Companion. This is not a movie review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Chalk and Duster. As far as cinema goes, Chalk and Duster isn't really a shining example of the craft. It's amateurish and looks like a student film project for the most part, to be honest. But as far as emotions go, Chalk and Duster is actually pretty sweet. It's the story of two teachers fighting against the Hitler-ness of Dolores Umbridge, played by Divya Datta in a wig. Well, her name is Kamini Gupta, it's not Dolores Umbridge, but she's so Umbridge, yeah. एक expression है उसका throughout the films, like... Antagonist का नाम है Kamini, and the two teachers, played by Shabana Ji and Juhi Chawla, are called Vidya and Jyoti, Education Light. Creative, so creative. Shabana Ji plays a math teacher who has a rather unconventional style of teaching through song and dance. No kidding, she has kids in her class, kidding kids, doing a choreographed and a rather forced sequence to board mass. It's weird. Board mass. So बस यही है. Obviously the evil principal is thrown off and the good teachers win, but there's a random KBC type quiz contest involved hosted by Rishi Kapoor for some reason. And the minute he walks up on stage, Juhi Chawla is like, wow, Rishi Kapoor. My God, I love Rishi Kapoor so much. Arya Babbar is there playing the head of the board of trustees for this school, and if Hamming could take a humanoid form, it would look a lot like him. Jackie Shroff is there talking in a strange Americanized accent.
Now what's the business plan in India?
Education, sir. You know it's the best business in
Keep education as education.
Shabana Ji, Juhi Chawla, Richa Chadda, they're all fantastic. I love these women, but the lines and the scripts are way below par for actors of this caliber. Girish Karnad saab to, oof. His scenes made me really miss my dad, and I just wanted to call him and be like, I love you, Papa. I didn't do it. The writing is very bachcha-like, yaar. There's one scene where this random dude pops up, hi, मैं हूँ Sanjeev Sharma, or some other generic Indian name like that, और मैं हूँ deputy director at NASA. If there was an Indian who was a deputy director at NASA, we would know about it. Also, there's another girl who's standing in front of a green screen clearly. Hi, मैं हूँ generic Indian female name, और मैं बहुत जल्द Ebola का cure निकालने. Board mass. But the kids and the families all around me seem to be really enjoying the film, laughing and clapping at the right moment. So I'm like, होएगा NASA का deputy director, मेरे को क्या पता? मैं तो chemistry में वैसी fail हो गई थी. Board mass. Do you like your teachers? Do you stay in touch? I don't. High school was hell for me. There was this chemistry teacher who really made me feel bad and ridiculed me in front of my whole entire class, so much so that I stopped talking to people. This here, no jokes. If any teacher is watching, don't do that. Don't do that. It took me years to come out of my shell, and I wouldn't wish that on any child. And kids, don't be your teachers have a very difficult job, and they're not rolling in money, you know, and they have to deal with shitheads like you all day long every day. So be nice and say good morning every time you see them. Unless you see them at night, then don't say good morning. Board mass. Oh yeah, the movie. On a scale of 1 to 10, Chalk and Duster is like writing on a chalkboard. Dust it away and nobody will remember. Man, I'm deep today. Ugh. आजकल कौन यूज करता है चॉक एंड डस्टर? व्हाइट बोर्ड मार्कर होते हैं ऐसे, मतलब फैंसी वाले. आपकी पिक्चर का टाइटल ही आउटडेटेड है. सब्सक्राइब टू फिल्म कंपेनियन टू गेट योर फिल्म फिक्स. वी डू लेटेस्ट थिंग्स, ओके, लेटेस्ट न्यू स्टफ.